Hi everyone. Got 3 pieces of wire. The shorter one is 16 inches, so the other one's probably 17 to 18 inches long. So what we're going to do today, one of them is square, and I want the square one in the middle. And what I'm going to do, sort of balance them out. Have the square one in the middle. Give me a little of this half round off of here. Probably about a foot. And I want the square one in the middle. So I'm going to wrap around it with the half round. It's so cold in here that my nose is running. And it could be from me running around outside trying to take care of the little kittens that are out there that are wild as... Oh gosh, they're wild. You can't even get close to them. I made them a little shelter. And I gave them food and I gave them water. And I hope they go in that little shelter because you can't even touch them. They're feral, they're wild. But I don't know. I did the best I could. I just hope that they decide that they like what I made for them and they'll go in it. Alright, now, what am I going to do to this? I had a halfway plan in my head. So what I'm going to do is take this square wire, and it's dead soft, or at least it's supposed to be. We'll find out real quick because dead soft twists easy all the way down it. If it's not dead soft, then going down it will only twist right so far. So all this is dead soft. You can see it twists all the way to the end. If it wasn't dead soft, it would have twisted so far down from the vise, and it would have quit twisting. Alright, it ain't dead soft anymore. It's half hard now because I worked it. So now I'm going to take the other side, put it in the vise, and tighten it down. Tried not to hit anything, but about the time I hit this camera, it sounds like somebody hit it with a hammer. So I have to try to cut all them out. Alright, there. Now, took our dead soft wire and made half hard by twisting it. But is how I want to do this pendant, so hopefully it'll work. And see, we've got a twist in the middle of two straight ones. They're round. I want to put that back there, and I want to bring it around and sort of catch right there. Around that tip. See if I can hold it good enough. Go across there. And go across that. We'll bring it back up. And we've got it like this. And I've just got it held. All I've done was wrap it around. Now, I'm going to take that half round and go around it. So I can hold it all in place. There we go, we've got it like that. Got it like that. We can push that up with this a little bit. Now, we'll leave this tail hanging there. We're gonna hold that and try to get in here and squeeze that together. And then take a wrap around it. There. Tighten that up a little bit. Now, somehow my twisted one got on the outside of that, but we'll do a little twist there. Bring it around to the back and get rid of it. Okay. I get back here. And we'll cut it here. Well, no, I might hook it there. Well, there's our Valentine's heart. It turned out pretty good, I think. And probably covered up the heart part at the top, but you have to cover up the wires up there. So, but y'all, thanks for watching. And if you get a chance, check out my children's book in the description and the other things in the description. I've got several things. And if you want to support the channel, I have a Buy Me a Coffee. And I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care out there. Stay warm, stay safe, and stay dry. And hopefully we don't lose our power tonight. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.